I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang naman yung maka-resonate sa inyo. Let me know, no? Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, yun po yung time na the message is meant to find you. So, magsimula na tayo. The Sun. I think that you are almost close to getting what you want. Realizing that the connection, no, is meant for you. Siyempre, may mga konting challenges with the Sun. The Sun doesn't always, parang hindi siya palagi nasa kalangitan ng 24/7. So, lumulubog, no? Pero now, I feel like nakikita mo na yung pag-asa, nakikita mo na yung warmth. So, nagkakaroon ka na ng idea that merong patutunguhan, no? Itong iyong isinusulong, no, na relasyon. The Empress, lalo na ngayon, it felt like yung iba sa inyo, no, this is a small percentage na nagdadalang tao, no, or small percentage na hoping, no, magdalang tao. If this is not about pregnancy, then I feel like meron ka namang ginawa na pagbabago sa iyong katawan. So, itong mga pagbabagong ito, it can be nagpagupit, nagpapayat, nagpalagay ng laman, no, what have you. It felt like, parang umaayon sa akin ang panahon. So, parang gusto mong sabihin na after all nitong mga hardships, no, after all nitong mga sabihin natin mga ginawa kong sacrifices, now things are parang ito na yung harvest, no? Pa-harvest na ako. With the Two of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I think that you can almost see it, taste it, touch it, feel it, hear it. Malapit na. Alam na alam mo yun sa puso mo, no? For a few numbers of you, baka din kasi pwede rin ito dun sa mga third party situation, no, na nakikipag-compete sa ibang tao. Ngayon parang napapansin mo, napapadalas dito si person ha. Parang hindi na naglalabas si person ha. Parang wala siyang kinakausap ngayon dito sa kanyang telepono ha. Parang lagi lang nakafocus, no, sa akin. The Five of Coins and the Ace of Coins. Ito nga yung sinabi ko. So, prior, no, bunutin itong clarifying card. So, I think that your person here is leaving something and offering it to you. Kung ano man yung mga ginagawa nito sa kabila or sa pinagkakaabalahan niya, no? It may not be a person, it may be, trabaho, no, na nandun yung time, energy, effort. Ngayon parang ino-offer sa iyo. With the Moon card, so ito yung past ha. Ito yung past na side. Ang dami mong iniisip. So, I think that we are very aligned dahil nakikita naman natin dito with the Moon card, no? um, of all those anxieties, questions, a lot of questions actually, blurry situation are now coming into light. It felt like medyo maayos, no, ngayon ang mga bagay-bagay or umaayos. Wala pa naman dun sa pinaka-rurok, sabihin natin, no, ng um, like the harvest. Pero nakikita mo na itong yung kumbaga sumisibol na siya, no? With the Emperor. So ngayon medyo nung nakikita mo na yung solution, medyo nakikita mo na yung sabihin nating parang realization, ngayon nakakabuo ka sa isip mo na, ay eto yung mga next step ko, eto yung next na pupuntahan namin, eto yung next na gusto kong gawin. Kasi dati, pwedeng pangarap lang or illusion ko lang. Ngayon pwede ko nang gawin. Ngayon naghahanda na ako. So, it can be cohabitation, proposal, or marriage, or probably ngayon, parang sinasabi mo, ready na rin ako na magkaroon ng anak, or ready na akong sagutin, no, itong person ko. So, from all aspects ito ha, kasi this is general reading naman. So, nandito yung sinasabi mong, I'm looking forward, no, sa future with my person, together with all of these, sabihin nating, dreams, aspirations, no, with me, together with my person, and the justice. I love the justice showed up kasi very, very soon, I feel like before Christmas, so, mafe-feel, mararamdaman, ipapa-experience sa'yo ng universe how it feels like, no, to be the asawa, the only one, it can be dun sa mga no labels, sa parang ipaparanas sa'yo na, uy, sa akin lang siya talaga naka-focus, walang ibang tao, parang feeling ko kami na. And I feel like bago talaga ito magkaroon ng matapos yung year, ibibigay sa inyo yung commitment na dapat para sa'yo. So, matagal na dapat ito no? Matagal na dapat ito na-experience mo, matagal mo na dapat itong ginagawa, pinaplano. Well, better late than never. Well, I feel like hindi naman siya late. Maganda rin naman ito kasi magsisimula ka ng new year with a new set of chapter, no, sa buhay mo. With the Two of Swords, na kumunti ka na. I think itong mga panahon na ng mga past days or weeks, medyo napapansin mo, gusto mo sanang iwan itong taong ito. May mga plano no? Meron ka mga iniisip dito na, iwan ko na kaya ito, pero you stayed. I feel like you stayed, no? The Nine of Coins and the Judgment. Right. So, parang sinabi mo dito, sayang naman yung effort, energy, no? Itong aking mga ginawa, ayokong sayangin. Kaya with the Nine of Pentacles in here, parang sinabi mo, uy, sandali. Alam ko, sasang-ayon din sa akin, no? So, parang you stretch your patience, binigyan mo pa ng time, which I feel like hindi mo naman din inaasahan na ganun ka pala kapasensyoso or pasensyosang tao na na-surprise ka rin sa sarili mo na, huy, sandali. Alam ko kung ako yung nandito dati, ha? Kung alam ko yung nandito ako sa sitwasyon na to, matagal ko nang iniwan. But there's some kind of force na parang sinabi sa'yo, stay, meron pa magandang balita, no? So you juice out everything with the Eight of Swords. So nakikita natin dito yung fast-moving energy. I think that this is more than what I mentioned sa prior, December, baka nga by next week, next month, eto na yung solution, eto na yung commitment na hinahanap mo. So, I want you to prepare, no, for the things with the Wheel of Fortune. So, ito yata yung part na kahit hindi ka gumawa ng move, ito na yung harvest actually. The Wheel of Fortune is a wheel pull of fortune even without you making a move. So it kind of like, it will just land on your lap. It can also be a wish fulfillment na dati mo nang pinagdadasal, dati mo nang wini-wish, no? To happen. Now it's all here with the Page of Wands. So ito na nga. Starting of a new chapter, it could be a new book, a new saga, no? Sa buhay mo. Rewriting not a history, rewriting another story, no, rewriting another adventure sa buhay mo together with your person. Napakagandang simula with the Page. So clarity is here, answers are here, union is here, no, yung straight path ng inyong connection are also here. Parang damang-dama mo na, eto na siya, ibibigay na sa'yo. So, this is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan dito sa reading na ito, I want you to know sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Kasi discounted na yun, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Aries, I'm seeing Aquarius, Gemini, Taurus, Libra. I am seeing Virgo, Capricorn is here, Libra, Aries, very dominant, Taurus, very dominant, Leo, very dominant, Pisces is here. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.